I campaign than they would ever and 1 day with that afternoon. They came to attack me. Over any money and died of an Azor election. The governorship candidate of Labour Party. Wow. I could say convoy while he was in transit and picked him up, and he has not been seen till today. 2009, my father was kidnapped. The same 2009, GUO was kidnapped from a church. Don't look at they kidnapped here. The same 2009, they kidnapped Poco Bros. Boya were Banex Plaza. Big men needed on Anambra. Even the man who filled petrol station. Tony Mass. Dr. Akonyele. Anambra, Dugoyi. Obodondi Balose, Chiata, local their communities. 8 local governments were totally taken over by these bad boys when we assumed office. If you don't get more than a campaign, none of us could enter India local government. Even though was ever election, a memory election in India local government, including my own local government. They came to attack me. Over any money and died of an Azor election, the governorship candidate of Labour Party. Wow. I could say convoy while he was in transit and picked him up, and he has not been seen till today. Hey, to Anambra day before I bata. 2009, my father was kidnapped. The same 2009, the GUO was kidnapped from a church. Don't look at they kidnapped here. The same 2009, they kidnapped Poco Bros. Boya were Banex Plaza. Big men needed on Anambra. Even the man who filled petrol station. Tony Mass. Dr. Akonyele. Why? Now say all the cable politician. All the car. Not enough for police. Hey, to Anambra people before Soludo solution, Bata. Manaya Batago, Anambra. Okay, but until Mecomas and if I get when I get that kind of agreement, Kafa Materials Anambra. I was an Ochichi if I did Meco. Ochichi if ever again. Obo then on him of Ipota, and what are they believe of ya? But he decided I don't leave off ya, and I find I for him. And today, and I can tell you, yes, India are going back. We was celebrated 2 years ago, last return. They described ever before camps and ever before. The one as I go out of Rumba, Pada, Newi. Okay, I am a campaign, but I did a campaign than Newi. 2021. Ever and 1 day with that afternoon. Okay, there's a campaign. They have been a police calendar, their rally. It's wonderful. We will not forget. But I can where to go because I am my rest until all these criminals, non-Anambra, seek to serve her out, making it to their back. I am a ọwọ́ yé mana ẹ̀mẹ́ nkìẹ́ iná sọ́fà nífà wáyà àmà àyàbíabúlẹ̀ ọwọ́ 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. in the night àyàbíabúlẹ̀ anùkwùm na ndị Idemmili North fapasigo a bylaw against culture because Idemmili North be abụrụ one of the centers of culture. Ndị ogidi ụlọ na anụbụ ife na-ekwu ya. And they can leave them million North 3 communities. Come on, no, get him, and I'm going to go to where they 3 communities came on calendar called and leave them million. And they don't know. So no fully back. Come on, I'm giving them. Because of the level of Bussy, because of Rumpo. bụrụ headquarters. Anyị na-agwa ndị youths anyị ndị nọ ebe a, ọ bụrụ na ị nwee kọltụ ịnọ na ya pụta na ndụ adịrị ya. O nwenụrụ onye gbagidere egbe were ịgba egbe wee ruo to old age. Ọkpịfụ ndị a dị 80 years and above, ogbu mma na-ana na mma, ọgụ egbe na-ana na gịnị. So message to ndị youths ogidi with the bylaw apasị anọ na law ọnụ pasị bụ na ọnwụ onye nọ n'ife kọlt ọnwụ na amapụ ya ide mmiri amapụ ya. Mana anyị ga-emezie akwaba onye kọlt a anyị maalụ, anyị ga na-identify ndị nwa na ebe a, anyị aga buru fanụ maka na ọchịchị n'ife a ga-anọ. And ebe fa na-eme ife a bụ ebe ife ejiwala azụ anị cultism maka anị, a na-azụ anị, a na-ele anị. So a na-agwa ndị youths anyị nọ ebe a, ọma akwa asa arụ megene, ọma akwa asa arụ megene, onye na-eje eme gburugburu nke anyị na-eme na fawa ga-eprotect, fawa ga-eme mmadụ na-ga-eprotect gọ.
Ndị a na-eme ya ụnụ macha ha ndị ha wụ ha esighi n'ikuku na-ada, ha bibe mmadụ, ha wụ ụmụnne mmadụ, ha nwere ihe a kama onye ọbụla mee kpụ den bịa onye polisi si Zamfara bata ọma onye bụ onye ọ ndị nọ n'ụlọ, nke nọ n'ụlọ na-agwa nke nọ n'ama na so anyị macha ndị ha wụ ọ ụmụnne mmadụ ka ha wụ, ọ ụmụ mmadụ ka ha wụ. And the obodo ọbụla etekigoro over bụ na the people themselves rose up and said never, and all the people now said no, onye asokwa, onye anọkwa. Then you can now come and pick them up. Mgbe a kpọrọ mmadụ 7, 10, 15, 20, 30 ndị nke ọzọ onye ọ na-agbafere ọzọ, they are living amongst you. Give them out. Tell us. The communities are now returned when their people have decided enough is enough. That's it. The people say enough is enough. They are kidnappers, they are criminals. So, OAU, all of them, the first order, security. Security. But we are determined now. Twice is that we will not only chase them out from there. Ebona na cooperate. I chase them out from the place. We will clear the place and take over the land. Yes. But we cannot tolerate them anymore. OAU must be free of these criminals. OAU must be free of these criminals.